Hey gang, Poppy here in the computer room. Here is an Optimus mountain climber's stove, or what it used to be. There's one half of the wick, other half of the wick, uh, that part, that part, the needle, which goes in here. Come up, damn you. Okay, nice brass tank. The nut, that packing nut for the needle. The key to turn the needle. Piece of wood. Oh no, that was the wrapper that held those two. This is the nozzle that was down in there. The tiny orifice. Hey, cold brew coffee project. Okay. Anyway, pretty steel box. Might be able to put some kind of heating device in there. Okay, now this, where'd the filler go? Okay, this is gonna come over here, and the wick. You see that the wick for an alcohol lamp will come out through here after I machine and fit it. This will get a plug. I got the thread size right there. I might just go chop and the lid so I could fill it. It's not going to be a gasoline stove ever again. It nearly set the hacienda on fire during the power outage twice. So it went through 5 power outages with no problem. The 6th one, it nearly lights the house on fire. $20 for it, $4 a usage. Okay. Okay. So this orifice, maybe I can use that in my cold brew coffee project. The needle, once I polish it, and the seat, lap them in. Cut here, fill the tube after, chop that, put a wing on it so you can fill our alcohol lamp there. Nice alcohol lamp, brass. Brass, yeah. Orifice. Captain. Don't know about that. This is scrap. This, maybe find a way to use it for alcohol lamp wick. Might just work. Anyway, you see I've got the curtains open, letting some free lumens. Hello? You're still there? Okay. And you see here inside the computer room, like I was telling you, I went for mid-period home computer room. And I think no, I will not update Windows Defender. Pushy. Well, anyway, that's another project. Currently, I've got, well, I can't see it. I don't want to stand up to show you. I've got one of the 30 amp scooter batteries on a trickle charger over on the other side of here. And this is the camera I shot the stills that are going to be on this coming at you. Toodles.